Hello friends. Today in this video we will talk about Nugabest new product and their effects and uses. Product name T11. In this video you will know everything about T11 mat. But first of all you have to like this video and subscribe our channel Nugabest Jaipur for more updates. So friends, Nugabest has awarded 2 times Brand of the Year in 2017 and 2018. We all know Nugabest is South Korean company and aluminum stone is made in Korea. And product quality is best. Nugabest have many more products are there and now Nugabest launched new product in India. T11 is very excellent product. Friends, in this mat there is 72 NDT stone, nano diamond aluminum stone. Patent by Nugabest. It will make your blood circulation proper and better flow. Best product for your health. Useful in back pain, cervical pain, shoulder pain, hand pain, knee pain, calves pain, feet pain, full body pain. You can use this for whole night and set minimum temperature having auto off system. This T11 mat will take body shape. You can use on bed, sofa, chair, anywhere. Don't worry about size or how to carry this mat. Because it is foldable 3 folds like bed sheet, so you can carry this mat in bag to anywhere. Anytime. Easy to carry. Embossed design and quality is very high. Lightweight, keep in small place, power consumption 200 watt maximum, high density of aluminum 645 stones. Thin but durable 10 layers lamination, that is why this mat is flexible. Carbon fiber used by Nugabest. Carbon fiber is normally used in planes and expensive cars for make them low weight. And in any company not having this type of mat. Nugabest is giving very high quality mat with shining aluminum stones. Now go and get your free demo today. Friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe for latest updates.